Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we will learn how to do urban hotspot map using ArcGIS, and this is a land surface temperature map from the Landsat satellite. And you can see here this is the already prepared land surface temperature of a particular area. The question is that how we can prepare land surface temperature, because if we want to do the urban hotspot map, then we should require land surface temperature map, that means LST map. So if you can see my previous tutorial where I easily explain the step-by-step method to calculation land surface temperature of different Landsat image in ArcGIS as well as QGIS. So after that you can do this urban hotspot map. So before going to do the urban hotspot map, I want to show the land surface temperature by assign some color. So it will quite attractive when we assign the color. So you can see here this red color showing the higher value, that is more than 36 degrees Celsius, and the blue color showing the low land surface temperature. Okay. Before going to urban hotspot map, we should know the theoretical background. So for that, if I go, yes, so this is the urban hotspot. You can see here this urban hotspot map actually nowadays basically used in different uh, academic research, and this urban hotspot map basically using the equation by this research chart. So land surface temperature is nothing but the land surface temperature greater than the mean land surface temperature of this same area plus 2 multiplied by the standard deviation of the land surface temperature of that particular area. That means we require three things. One is land surface temperature, second is mean land surface temperature of that particular area, and the standard deviation of land surface temperature of that particular or same area. So this equation will put within this ArcGIS, and that we actually do within this Arc toolbox. Within this Arc toolbox, go to the this special tool, and then go the map algebra raster calculator. Okay. So then this raster calculator will do this. Before going to raster calculator, I want to show key from where I can find out the mean LST or the standard deviation of LST. So this is the land surface temperature. Okay. So for that, within this layer panel, if I right click here, go to properties. If I go to source, go below in the statistics, you can see the minimum value, maximum value, mean value of LST as well as standard deviation value of LST. So all of this actually available within the source, within the statistics. Okay. So first we require the mean. Okay. I can click copy here, or we can copy later also. So according to our equation, at first we require the LST. Okay. LST greater than. So LST, you can see here, this is the LST, that means this is the study area. Then take greater than value from here symbol. Then LST greater than what? The mean LST. So for that, go to here. Okay, right click, go to properties, and click here mean value and copy it. So okay, and paste it here. Then what? According to this equation, plus 2 multiplied by standard deviation. So select, click here, then click on plus, click on 2, click on multiplied, then the standard deviation. So for that, go again here, go to properties, go below, click here, copy it, okay, and paste it here. Okay. So now we should assign the output raster. So click here, and I have a file that is within this desktop. Okay, that is LST update work. So here I want to give or I want to save my file output file. So that is Urban Hotspot map, and the extension should be TIF, because raster image always we should assign the file format as TIFF file format. Okay, then click on save, then click on OK, and it will take a few seconds or minute. So after that we can see the actual figure. Okay, complete. Before going to analyze this urban hotspot map, I want to do one thing. Go to properties, go to symbology, and I want to remove this blue color. Okay, then click on remove, apply, and OK. If I uncheck this, you can see only the red portion. Red portion, what actually mean that? It actually mean the urban hotspot area. Okay, these are the area where has the land surface temperature is comparatively higher in respect of the surrounding land surface temperature. Okay, if I click on this land surface temperature, you can see here the higher the land surface temperature area, also showing the urban hotspot area. Why? Because we know that there is a positive relationship between the built-up area and urban land, the built-up area with the land surface temperature. So the area which have the higher the built-up, this area actually basically showing or absorb the higher solar radiation. So this area actually known as the urban hotspot area. If I uncheck this, you can see within the study area, these are the urban hotspot area. And after that, we can also calculate the area of the urban hotspot. So how can calculate the area of urban hotspot? That I will show the next tutorial. So thank you for watching, and keep subscribe my channel for more video, more update. Thank you again.